In this video, I'm going to start introducing a new screen recording piece of software called Camtasia. And we've already looked at Jing, and we've looked at ways to distribute these videos once they're created, but Jing is very simple in nature. So just for comparison, this is a very simple screen recording I did with Jing to show how to get or how to use an annotation in a YouTube video, and it's very, very short. But remember, down at the bottom, we can change the name of the video. We can share it straight here. We can save it to our computer, or we can cancel the upload. And we can watch a preview here. It's very short, very simple to do, right? And the simplicity of it is great, but if you want to do more integrated podcasts or screen recordings, then you need something a little bit more robust. So this is an example of a screen recording that I did for my chemistry students. I don't have the sound on right now, but essentially what I do is I would draw on top of a PDF file while my screen is being recorded, but then I add in these edits, and I've got ways to annotate and enhance and show things a little bit better on my screen that you cannot do with Jing. Camtasia meets that need for me, and so I'm going to show you some of the features that it has and some things that you can do with it, and then you can make a decision on whether or not it's something you want to invest in. Now, before I go any further, I do want to say that Camtasia for Mac, the Camtasia version for Mac, costs $99 for educators, and it's produced by the same company, TechSmith, that creates Jing. The PC version of Camtasia has been around for many, many more years than the Mac version, and it's a full editing suite. There are a lot more features in there that you can use on the PC version, and that one costs $179 for educators. So again, it's something that I take a bite out of my budget for because I know I'm going to be using it, but it's a one-time fee, and then there are small fees for upgrades when they come out. So it's something to consider. So again, $99 for Mac, $179 for PC. So I want to show you a brief example of what we can do once we have a recording. So the screen recording interface is extremely similar to that of Jing. So you would turn on your computer, select a portion of your screen, but then instead of just bringing up a preview window, we've got this editing suite. And if you've ever used iMovie or Windows Movie Maker, it's something similar to that. So I've got a timeline down here at the bottom, and then I've got multiple tracks that are doing different things within the program. All of these arrows are edits or transitions. So if I drag my timer forward, I can show you a quick transition. So if we were to let it play, I've added a transition there that would move my screen and it would just enhance that engagement for the students. So these are things I'm going to be showing you how to do in a very simple manner. So again, if you're familiar with iMovie or if you've ever used Windows Movie Maker, then Camtasia for Mac or even the PC version isn't too much of a step up of where you've been. If you've never used either one of those before, both of them are a very simple drag and drop interface, and I'll be showing you how to make simple edits once we have our screen recordings done.